This tray dryer is used for the best drying results in the conventional process. It is a double-walled cabinet with a double door. The gap between the two walls is filled with high-density fiberglass rock-wool insulation to prevent heat transfer. Doors are provided with woolen rope. Stainless steel trays are placed on the movable trolley, which is made up of mild steel, and the whole machine is made up of mild steel. Tray dryer is available in capacities ranging from 10, 20, 25, 50, 100, 200 trays. Applications: tray dryers are ideally suitable for drying onion, copper sludge, vegetables, nutrient powder, herbal powder, spices, chilies, anjeer, pharma, salt, fish, etc. The material to be dried is placed on the trays. Other than the hot air generated by the electric coil, the other method is to employ the radiator coil that use steel for heat circulation. Tray dryer is provided with a control panel board with 3-phase. The heat in the dryer is produced by the heater along the side or at the base. There are two motors of 1400 RPM with 3 phases, and each of them is placed on both sides and is used to rotate the fan, and both motors have 1 horsepower. We provide double bearing housing, and fans are mounted on the housing, which is used to prevent loads on the motors and increase the lifespan of the motor. The inner fan comes with a safety grille and the motors come with a stand. You can control the heater section-wise. So with this feature you can go up to 300° plus temperature. There are 3 temperature sensors are placed in this machine for the accurate temperature results. The placement of these sensors are left, right and in the center of the machine. You can measure the moisture of the material as there is a humidity sensor placed inside the center of the machine.